Successful people have some common traits which make them really successful. In this video, I'm going to share with you what are those traits. I've observed a lot of people on what are the things, man, and I've distilled them into only 7 traits that if you can replicate that 7 traits, it does not matter you're a student or you're an employee, you're an entrepreneur, wherever you are, if you follow these traits, guess what? Nothing can stop you from becoming successful. Number 1, they are passionate about what they do. If you look at somebody who's made a really name for themselves and made a big impact, chances are every single person has done what they're doing because they loved it, including me. When I started this journey, I am doing this because I really love it. It's not that, oh, I'm going to make a lot of money. In fact, I had no idea when I started my journey that I will make a lot of money. I was like, okay, you know what? I just enjoy this. I enjoy helping people. I enjoy making videos. I enjoy teaching people. I enjoy writing a book. I enjoy seeing the results in my mentees. And this is the reason why a lot of my mentees have got so many results. But you know what? It's not about me. If you're not enjoying what you're doing, what is the point of doing it? You will never be able to excel at what you're doing, and you will never max out your potential if you're not passionate about it. So, number 1, find what you love. Number 2, have a clear vision and mission. This has been the most important element for all the people. Not only they found what they love, but they're also very clear about what their vision is, what their mission is. You may be passionate about maybe cricket, but you know what, if you don't have vision and mission to make an impact, make a difference, to create something beautiful out of that, you don't have always to play cricket. 𝘪𝘵 𝗵𝗿𝗲𝗏, he was passionate about cricket, but he did not become a cricketer. But look, people know him and he had his vision and mission for himself and he wanted to make a difference, and he did. So if you're starting a business, if you're building a business, find a vision, find a mission. How does the world look like? What is it that you will do that makes other people's life better? How can you impact lives better? And create your vision and mission statement. Number 3, grit. If you see, successful people are relentless when it comes to taking action, pursuing the success. They do not stop. मेरी खुद की जर्नी में इतने उतार चढ़ाव आए हैं, so many roadblocks, so many problems, so many challenges. Guess what? I do not give up. And all my mentees also, they don't give up. So if you want to be successful, build that, वो कीड़ा होता है ना, ढीठ, एक ढीठ बन जाओ, एक जिद पकड़ लो. Have that grit that no matter what, I will pursue my journey. I will continue to play this game until I win. Number 4, massive risk takers. If you look at all the successful people, no risk, no ishq, no money, right? Risk nahi to ishq nahi. If you don't take risk, you don't get results. Because there is something interesting between risk and reward. Higher the risk, higher the reward. Whether it's mutual funds or investments, or you're taking risk to start a business. You see, if you look at all the billionaires or even millionaires, how many millionaires are there? There are roughly about 50 million millionaires around the world, which is not even 10%. Why? Because only few people take massive risk, and that's why they have massive rewards. Majority of the people, 90+% people, they don't take risk. They settle in the comfortable job, comfortable life. They don't want to push themselves. So if you don't taking risk, guess what? That is the biggest risk. When economy goes down, you're going to be the biggest loser. So take massive risks. Number 5, thinking out of the box. Einstein ने ये बात बोली है कि anybody who as human being, we all have a beautiful gift called imagination. Only humans have a great imagination. Yes, I'm sure your cat and dog can also imagine, but they can only imagine a little bit about the food. That's all. Most of them is on survival mode. But you and I, as a human being, we have this gift that we can imagine things. And as I always say, everything is produced twice. First in your mind, then in real life. So produce some imagination, creative thoughts, and bring this in life. How am I using imagination as a superpower? You see, right now when I'm making this video, I'm already imagining being on the big stages. 20,000 people. When I say big stages, my own stages, right? Few years ago, I was imagining that I'm having lunch and dinner and hanging out with some really successful people like 𝘂𝗫𝗓𝗏 𝘂𝗵𝗿𝗏𝗍, Grant Cardone, so many big people. I have Bill Gates on my list as well. But guess what? I already started doing that. I already met Cameron Herold, took him and his wife to a lovely lunch. I've had time with Dan Lok, met him in his studio, right? 𝘂𝗫𝗓𝗏 𝘂𝗵𝗿𝗏𝗍, spent time with him in Mind Valley events and all. This all became reality because all if I could imagine, it is reality. So what is it that you can't achieve? Nothing. Think out of the box, imagine, and you will be able to achieve wonders. Number 6, delegation. You see, super successful people, they are very effective when it comes to delegation. Let me give you my example, right? When I started my business, I was doing everything myself. Then within first year, I found 1 or 2 people, started delegating some work. Fast forward today, it's been more than 5 years. Guess what? Majority of the company, 90% plus, is run by my team, systems and processes. I barely get involved into day-to-day activities, operations, sales, marketing. I just do only a little bit of part. Everything is automated. You see, video editing, to video posting, to marketing, to ads, everything has been done by somebody from my team or the vendors. So learn how you can plug yourself out. Today, if you're feeling overwhelmed, it's a good sign. It's a good sign. It is telling you that you're not delegating what you have on your plate. You're not plugging yourself out of your business. And if I give you a long-term vision, here's my vision. The company that I'm running, I will plug myself out from this company completely, which is already work in progress. Guess what's going to happen? My executives, the team that I have, they're going to step up, the director, C-suites, and I'm going to start building other business. I'm going to acquire companies, software companies, and real estate or medical, beauty. I'm going to start venturing into multiple businesses. All this is possible because I'm delegating most of my work and I'm picking up the new thing. So learn how to delegate. That's what successful people do. And number 7, this is my personal favorite. Surround yourself with other successful people. Here's an analogy that I understood. Be the poorest person in the room. How can you be the poorest person in the room? You see, when I first started my self-development journey, I invested my money on high-ticket closing program of Dan Lok. When I started that in that room, I was the poorest, making 2-3 lakhs a month. There were people making 7-8 lakhs a month. I worked my way up, and within 1 year, I got to the top of the food chain in that room. Guess what? I changed the room. And I changed the room when I was making 1 crore in business. I was the poorest person in the new room because they were making 7 crores, 10 crore, $1 million. I worked my way up. Took me a couple of more years. I got to the top and became a millionaire in that room. Guess what? Found another room where I became the poorest, making 7 crores or 10 crores or 16 crores, poorest. Because there in that room, people are making 25 crores, 50 crores, even 100 crores. Guess what? This is what I do. I surround myself, with the people who are bigger and better than me. Now, whether it is in the mentorship programs or interviewing some successful people, you can do that as well. Inviting them for lunch and dinners after you have earned something. Right? The people in my network also, other coaches and trainers, I hang around with so many people because I surround myself with people who are bigger and better than me, going places, making a difference. The bottom line is successful people are always learning and growing. Like how you are watching this video. I have my YouTube channel that I have created just for you to learn and grow. Check out other playlists, check out other videos. Subscribe to this YouTube channel because every week I drop some amazing videos. So continue to learn, continue to grow. Leave in the comment box below if there is something that really stood out for you that, man, this is something that I should do, maybe as a reminder. And I will be really happy to read all your comments. Some of the best comments, I'll pin it on the top as well. This is Dev Gadhvi. See you in the next video. Take care and God bless you.